Hey everyone, Kelly de la Mora here with Claims Journal. I am in Washington, D.C. at the PLRB Claims Conference, and I'm going around asking claims professionals the question of, are claims getting more complex or just more expensive? So, you know the drill. Come along with me and let's check it out.
You know, in my job, one of the things that's really unique is I get to talk to adjusters from many different characters and hundreds of them a month. And what I found is both are true. Claims are getting more complex. The world's changing. Insurance companies are facing challenges they've never faced before, which is causing them to have to make changes that were unexpected. But they're also becoming more expensive because, as we know, with our economy, material cost is going up. It gets harder and harder to find matching material when builders are looking to match what was there before so that they can restore the property to pre-loss conditions. So in reality, there's no one or the other, it's both.
They are getting more complex, and like everything else, price goes up, right? The cost of doing business goes up, cost of buying goods and services, cost of labor goes up, which naturally would drive up the claim. And on the other hand, influences in the marketplace drive complexity with the claim. And so we're kind of seeing, we're really experiencing both complexity from, I would say, carrier side marketplace influences, and then greater costs just from the natural cost of goods and services that we have to buy as service providers. So which ultimately reflects into the price.
As technology makes claims handling easier, it's probably also making them more complex. The amount of information that previously was probably being overlooked is now being looked at with a little more detail, and obviously brings some complexity to it. And especially when you get into areas where technology is involved, you're going to have some different coverages and complexities in coverages where in the past we probably didn't have that show up.
I think the complexity falls, it's not so much the claims themselves, I think it's the way that we view them. We're looking at claims differently. We want more efficiency, and we're struggling to make up for lack of human capital. Utilizing technology now, it's making it less expensive for the carriers, but it's also costing jobs for the smaller claims. But we still require to have the qualified, experienced adjusters to be able to adjudicate the more complex, the more litigious type files that'll take people out, that'll cost a lot of money. So expensive experience can be, lack of experience is expensive.
Yeah, I would agree. I think, when you talk about complexity, I don't know that the claims, the loss itself is more complex. I would say that severity is certainly going up and frequency is going up. As far as the complexity, we have many more tools than we had previously. And so we're able to analyze losses in ways that we never have before. And I think we're getting better at predictive outcomes. Where we're going to end up on this particular claim, things of that nature. So, but with the solutions that are coming out, I agree with you. I think that it's not necessarily more complex. We're just smarter at the way that we're handling them.